Welcome again to my channel, Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video, we are going to talk about supporting a tomato plant so that they will give us the maximum output. Friends, what you can see over here are my tomato plants, which are semi-indeterminate type, means they are growing into the vine shape. I have grown this tomato into TWC system, and you can see now the tomato is growing. Also, it has started developing vining. Now at this stage, if you don't support this tomato plant, then tomato plant will spread all over. Also, it will make many shoots from the leaf internode, and that will make our plant clumsy. Also, it will be difficult to handle. But instead of that, if we support them and guide them in vertically up, then the tomato plant will have excess of air from all around. It will have a higher solar energy acceptance, and it will produce good and healthy fruit in that condition. So it is good to support them vertically up. Now to support the tomato plant vertically up, we require couple of things ready with us. In the first thing, we require a trellising wire. Trellising wire we can tie horizontally around 6 to 8 foot high. So the tomato plant we can grow up to that height. Second, we require hook like this, which can accept the rope, longer rope, and we require a trellising rope. So what we'll do with this hook, we can round down many of the trellising rope on this. So we have here taken around 20 foot of rope, and we have wind it on this hook. So whenever the tomato plant grows up to 8 foot, we can unwind couple of the rounds and lower down the tomato plant, and that's how we can maintain the plant top height around 8 foot, and we can grow tomato for the longer period into the constrained space. Third thing, we require a clips. So these are the clips. These are locking clips which we can use for supporting the plant. The main advantage of using this clip that we need not to tie the rope around the stem of the plant, and that will not bottleneck the stem of the tomato plant. This will give the free access to the tomato plant to grow outside. So we are going to use the clip. Now in the further part of the video, I will demonstrate a simple way how we can support this plant. Now first, this clip is with the lock, and what we can do, we can lock this rope into this space and grip it. Now we'll put this clip around one of the healthy leaf into the tomato plant and simply lock the clip. So this will hold the clip into that position. Now the rope we must unwind up to the 8 foot and hang it simply on the top wire. So we are unwinding this rope. So you can see that now the winding is almost over, and with the exit support, we are just hanging this on the top trellising wire, and this is going to give the support to our plant. Now as the plant grows, another 3 to 4 set of leaves and around 1 to 1.5 feet, we can again tie up a new clip over here, and that is how we can keep continuing supporting the plant to the top. So this will make the plant free to grow, as well as support the plant in a way it will stay into perfectly vertical position. So friends, this is the simple way we can support the plant and get the good yields. So how do you like the method of this trellising tomato plant vertically up? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you also are going to grow the tomato, then I advise you to support the plant vertically up so that you can get the maximum from the one plant. Happy growing!